everybody, welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you've already hit that subscribe button. So in today's video, I'm so excited about what I'm going to be making because I've had this ice cream maker for a long time. I didn't want to throw it away, so I thought it was really cool. So I kept the wooden buckets, and it has this little detail on the front. So today I'm going to be making an arrangement for 4th of July. So let's get started. So first we're going to start off with our styrofoam. I think I'm actually going to keep this wrap on the styrofoam piece. It just keeps it from being messy. Okay, so I just took some packing paper and filled in the edges just to keep my styrofoam from moving around because I didn't have that. You can stick it on the bottom of the styrofoam and then stick it into your container. I didn't have any of that, and so I'm just gonna do it like this and kind of keep this in place. Okay, so I picked up 2 of these and 3 of these. So I'm just gonna put one here, one center, and one on the edge. So I'm just gonna measure probably like that. Just bending it back and forth to get it to break. And I really wanted it to have kind of like a natural look to it. I started to do the red, white, and blue flowers, but I'm just gonna incorporate the flags to give it the red, white, and blue patriotic look that I'm going for, but the whole thing won't be red, white, and blue. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing, and the camera's at a good angle. So I'm gonna want this one to stand up a little bit taller. So I'm just gonna be poking this one down, right down in the center. And we're just gonna open them up. Look how pretty they are when they're open. And just take each little stem and pull it down and separate them. And then, you know, give them some bends, some natural bend to them, like kind of crease them, kind of make them go up a little bit so they're not just shooting out straight out. Just makes it look a whole lot better. We have our 3 main picks in, and I just put 1 in each styrofoam, and now I'm gonna add the filler flowers. And because I only picked up 2 for some reason, I'm gonna have to separate them and cut them so I can space them out. I'm gonna leave 1 of them on this main stick in case I need a taller one. Side. Okay, and we're going to put our super long one kind of towards the back. Now I only have 1 left. I don't know why I didn't get more. I'm going to have to go search the house to make sure I didn't forget one. Okay. Can you see it? It's looking really good. I did go check, and for whatever reason, I only purchased 2 of the stems of the filler flowers. Maybe that's all I had. I don't remember, but I'm gonna need to fill this in. So I'm gonna get some more paper and fill in this emptiness. We've literally moved like a million times, so I just had this on hand. So you could use anything to fill it. You could use shopping bags, but this moving paper works really well, and they do sell it at Lowe's and Home Depot, and it's very inexpensive. I only picked up 2 bags. I don't know what I was thinking that day. I don't think that's going to be enough to put all the way around it. I have some old green moss that I had left over from another project, and I'm just going to use that to fill it in and then add the blue moss on the top. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this and see if that is enough to fill this bucket. If not, I may have to make a run to the at-home store, which I don't mind because I love going there. So there we go. We're just gonna add this. I thought the blue moss was really appropriate for 4th of July. Like it mixed in with the green moss as well. I really like the 2 mixed together. Okay, so I felt like it needed some more filler flowers, and I went searching my house and found these that I had in a vase, and I think they would be perfect. So I took them out of the vase and we're going to use them in this arrangement instead. So I decided to add these because I thought they would be fun. See if the wind will blow it. There it goes. Okay, so I'm just going to take these little wooden sticks and add them to the bottom because that's all I could come up with to make them longer. Okay, let's see if this works. Kind of MacGyvered it. I added 2 to this one because I tried to make this one really long, so I added 2 sticks to give it some stability. And then I did the same technique on this one, but I only added 1 stick to it. And I just realized I didn't add one to my last one. And I want it to be a little shorter, but it still needs that point to get it to stick down in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and add one to this. As you go along and you add things, like I didn't know I was going to add these, I had some flags that I played around with. So I had like flags. I was like, do flags look good? No. And I thought like these are fun. Ice cream is fun. So I went with these. So whenever you're sticking things in, it does crunch your flowers and you'll have to go back and readjust everything. Make it look good. Okay, so then I have this, and I picked it up at Dollar Tree. I think I said that earlier. In case you missed it. I think this would look really cute. Let me pull this back. So I thought it would be really cute. Whoops, I just found a tag. All right, hang on. Let's get the tags off. I can't stand tags. I take tags off of everything. I see people leave it on stuff. It drives me crazy. Okay, so we got the tag off. And it already has this knot in it. So I'm just going to use that and stick it into this little end over here. I think it would, oh, let's make it say USA on the front. And then I think it should be cute coming out the side of it. Okay, so then I just took my star garland and removed some of the stars. I just took my wooden sticks and I doubled them and added floral tape on them to make them longer. And then I just attached my star to the top. I just used hot glue and then put some tape over the top of it so it wouldn't look so bad from the back side and you wouldn't see all of the extra glue. Okay, so I kind of thought it needed one more thing. So I went in the house and found some burlap ribbon, but it's really, really wide. So I just took this wide piece like this and just cut it into strips. Okay, and then I just made a very simple bow, and all I did was just hold it like this and pinch the middle and then just go back and forth, and then bring that tail down in the back, give it a little pinch. And I'm actually out of my craft wire, so I just went and found some twist ties and tied it in the center. And then it's just a quick little bow, and then I just attached it to one of my little sticks that I was using. And I'm not gonna lie, that paper that I stuck down in there is making it difficult to add stuff to it. Can I do it? Almost made it. Is that enough?
I don't think she did. You see that right there?
I said I almost. I said I almost made it. Okay, so here are our flowers that we picked out, and they needed a little water.
They look a little rough.
I don't want breaking.
There you go.
So I picked these pots up from Lowe's. Did we get it at Lowe's?
Yeah, we did.
I thought they were really pretty.
They are pretty.
The
pretty
blue
pots.
color
Mm-hmm.
for my 4th of July porch. Professional gardener here.
Telling you.
Okay.
Now you gotta add dirt around it. You just said the heck with the shovel, didn't you?
Yeah. That's what hands are for.
That's right.
One down. One to go.
No dirt left behind. Going into the new pot. See? We've gotten rid of the shovel altogether.
It's not as graceful, but it works better.
It does.
We got this down now. Okay, y'all, so here's how it turned out. Okay, so now that we have our arrangement finished, I think it's kind of mandatory that we make some homemade ice cream since our arrangement is in an ice cream bucket. And it's 4 million degrees out here, so it's super hot. I feel like I'm melting, so I think the ice cream will be so refreshing. And so I'm gonna run in the house and whip some up real quick. Okay, so first we're gonna need 2 cups of the heavy whipping cream. Next we're gonna add the milk. And we need 2 cups. Okay, and so now I'm gonna add the flavored ice cream mix. And I'm using vanilla. Ooh, it smells amazing. Okay, we're just gonna mix this up. And now just pour it into our ice cream maker. It was really simple. There are a few little pieces I guess I didn't mix up very well. That'll be okay. Now we're just gonna add some ice. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is add a little bit of ice and then add a little bit of the ice cream salt. And kind of do this in layers. So then we'll add some more ice to it. And I thought there was going to be 4 of us having ice cream today, but there's only 2 of us now. So we're going to make it just for 2. It has a very good taste to it. It's just very, very liquidy. But the ice cream maker stopped, so it was supposed to be done. There's a little bit in there that has like a little bit of thickness to it. But for the most part, you have to use a straw. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one. Because our theme is ice cream, and this little flag was appropriate. Stars, stripes, and summer nights. Little ice cream cones and popsicles.